Imagine you are standing in the middle of a dense tropical rainforest. The air is hot, humid, and stiflingly oppressive. You think the modern Amazon with its jaguars and anacondas is scary? Think again. We are traveling back in time 60 million years ago. The T-Rex has gone extinct. Earth is in need of a new king. And rising from the murky waters of the South American swamps is a monster. It has no legs, no claws. Yet it possesses the power to crush a car. Welcome to the world of the Titanoboa, the largest snake to ever slither across the face of this planet. In the next 5 minutes, we will decode the mystery of this uncrowned king of the Paleocene era and answer the most haunting question of all. Could this monster ever return? The story begins in an unexpected place, the Cerrejón coal mine in northern Colombia. This is one of the largest open-pit coal mines in the world. But hidden deep beneath that black coal was a paleontological treasure trove. In 2009, while scientists were searching for evidence of Earth's first rainforests, they stumbled upon massive fossilized bones. At first, everyone thought they belonged to some ancient crocodile. But when Jonathan Block and his team looked closer, they realized a chilling truth. These were snake vertebrae. Let's make a small comparison. The vertebra of the largest anaconda alive today is only about the size of a child's fist. But the vertebra found at Cerrejón, it was the size of a large grapefruit. Based on this size, scientists reconstructed the owner. The results stunned the world. A snake reaching 13 to 14 meters, 42 to 46 feet in length, and weighing over 1.2 tons. To visualize this, the Titanoboa was longer than a school bus and heavier than a full-grown rhinoceros. If it slithered through your house, with its head in the living room, its tail would still be out by the front gate. With that size, what did Titanoboa eat to survive? Initially, the image of a giant snake crushing crocodiles and swallowing them whole was the most popular theory. And indeed, with a constriction force estimated at 400 SIE pounds per square inch, Titanoboa could absolutely shatter the bones of any creature unlucky enough to be in its embrace. This force is equivalent to lying under the Brooklyn Bridge with the entire weight of the bridge crushing down on you. However, the Titanoboa's skull tells a different story. When the precious skull of this species was found, scientists noticed that its teeth were numerous, thin, sharp, and angled backward. This structure isn't like the mammal-eating pythons of today, but rather like fish-eating snakes. This suggests that, despite being a giant monster, Titanoboa was actually a superb fisherman. It glided effortlessly through the water, using its massive size to dominate and snap up giant lungfish or ancient turtles. But don't let this seafood menu fool you. The ecosystem of that time, Titanoboa was at the top of the food chain. No species, not even the Carbonamis, turtle with a shell the size of a small car, dared to challenge it. Why could Titanoboa grow to such absurd proportions? Why don't we see 15-meter snakes today? The answer lies in the temperature. Snakes are poikilothermic cold-blooded animals. Body size is directly dependent on environmental temperature to maintain their metabolism. A larger body requires more external heat. The existence of Titanoboa is irrefutable proof that 60 million years ago, Earth's tropics were much hotter than we previously thought. The average temperature back then must have reached Y to a degree Celsius. Y minus 93 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Earth was like a giant greenhouse, with sprawling jungles and sky-high CO2 levels. It was this tropical inferno that served as the paradise which nurtured these giant cold-blooded monsters conditions that mammals like us humans would struggle to endure. Titanoboa vanished when Earth's climate began to cool millions of years later. They gave way to smaller, more agile species. But the story of the Titanoboa leaves us with a terrifying, open-ended question. As the Earth warms up day by day due to climate change, and as average temperatures at the equator inch toward record highs, could the conditions to create cold-blooded supermonsters return? Perhaps in millions of years, when humans are no longer the dominant force, the steaming, flooded jungles will once again welcome the return of the giant legless kings. But for now, let's just be glad that Titanoboa rests quietly in museums and isn't lurking in the river behind your house. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to explore more mysteries of the natural world. Goodbye, and see you next time.